Hi there guys, welcome to another YouTube video by Ross Perry Productions. Well, today I have a 2021 Hyundai i20 and this is the mild hybrid version. I'm going to be showing you how to remove and replace the coil packs and the spark plug locations on the car. So first off, we're going to open up the bonnet. To do that, come over to the driver's side or the right hand side of the vehicle. Just pull this lever here, come around to the front of the car, just above the Hyundai badge. There's a lever, push that to the left, and then we're going to put this bonnet stay in that hole there. Once that's safe and secure, get yourself familiar with what's underneath the bonnet and just under this plastic cap here. So we're just going to give that a pull all the way around. There's 3 poppers, like so. That just comes off, like you can see. 1, 2, 3. Bit tricky to do with one hand. Then you will see the top of the engine. Now these are your 3 coil packs. So all you're going to need to do this is a 10mm spanner or socket. I've only got a spanner. Like I say, doing this one-handed. Just start to undo the bolt. That was actually quite loose. And then what we're going to do is you'll see the electrical connections on top of a grey connector. Just pull that away and then you actually use that like a lever, and that allows the electrical connector to come off. Now just start undoing the bolt all the way. Like I say, pretty tricky doing this one-handed. There we go. You can take that bolt all the way out. Then that should allow you to just slowly pull the coil pack out. And that's what it looks like. So this is a DENSO part. Got the part number there, 27301-08200. It looks like it's used for Hyundais and Kias. So it may actually be common with other cars. Now if you want to remove the spark plug, you just look down that same tube and you can just see the spark plug down there. Unfortunately I don't have a spark plug tool on me. That's relatively simple to do. Just lefty loosey righty tighty. To put the new coil pack back in, just making sure it goes straight down, and you want to make sure it seats straight on top of the spark plug. Push that all the way down. Get your bolt from earlier. Lining that up. Like I say, it'd normally be better to do this with a socket. Just going to do it by hand, making sure that's all the way on, making sure the shape fits the plastic underneath, so that's in the right location. Just going to get my spanner from earlier, give that a little bit of a nip up. There you go, I'm happy that's nice and tight. Go ahead, get your electrical connection, put that straight back on, and then push the grey thing forward so it clips and locks in. Then of course go ahead and put your plastic back on top. Not going to do that with one hand, it's a little bit too hard. But I hope that you found that video helpful. If it did, it should save you some money in replacing your coil packs. If you found it helpful, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.